What's going on, folks? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we've made it to the farm, and today we've got a few things that we need to get done. I've got a camera battery that's completely dead, and that camera is on a brand new trail that I just put the camera at, and I think that's where some of our bigger bucks are kind of running, so need to get that fixed. And I've got some trees that I need to get taken down in a food plot of ours, so that's what we've got planned for today. May get into something else, not sure. So I will catch y'all once we get to the top food plot. All right, so we made it up here to the top food plot. This is what we got going here. We got big trees like this that are completely dead. And since we've already got the dozer across the field, what we're gonna do is, since this one's really close to our fence, I can't get the dozer in behind it to push it over. So we're gonna cut this one down, and then that way we can, push it off the field. And then we've got that one right there that we can get the dozer behind it and push it over. So we're gonna go ahead and get this tree here taken care of. And then once we get it down on the ground, then we'll probably go get the dozer. That way we can shove everything off the field. And then way down there, we've got like 3 or 4 more dead trees that we gotta get rid of. So a lot of trees to get taken care of, very little time to do it. So I'm gonna get y'all set up and let's get this tree on the ground. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try to get this tree on the ground. you see? We got the tree on the ground. Didn't take us very long. So now we'll go down and get the dozer, and we'll come back. We'll push this one off the field. We'll probably honestly just push it up with the rest of that stuff there. But we'll probably make a pit stop with the dozer down there and push a bunch of those trees over. So we'll get the saw picked up and we'll go get the dozer and get this crap taken care of real quick. We finished up with the trees for now. Got all the trees taken care of that needed to be taken care of, and where that tree was cleaned up pretty good, and got it shoved off the field. And the tree that we had here, pushed it off the field, and we just shoved it off down in there. But eventually we'll end up burning our land off, and all that stuff will burn up, so it's no big deal. But sorry I didn't get much video of the dozer. I feel like y'all have seen it quite a bit, so man, sorry for the wind noise. This wind is absolutely ridiculous today, but I feel like y'all have seen the dozer enough, so I didn't get much footage of the dozer, but kind of in a time crunch because we got some storms coming in this evening, and it's supposed to get really cold again. So Just trying to get all this done as fast as possible. So now that we're done with the dozer and the trees, we've got several cameras that we need to go check and replace the batteries in those because they're dead. And then from there, I don't know what else we're gonna get into, so stay tuned. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is figure out which cameras need batteries, because I know there's like 4 of them that need batteries. So we'll go to our Moultrie app, hit devices. So looks like the big pond needs batteries, the top bed needs batteries, and the low deer trail needs batteries. So I guess that's where we're gonna go. Let's go do those real quick, and then I don't know what else we're gonna do, but that'll be a start. Okay, so we've made it to the first camera that needs to be changed, and these batteries are completely dead. But I wanted to let you guys know that if y'all are in the market for, you know, a really relatively inexpensive camera, but, you know, a really good camera, and most of all your cameras now are, you know, cellular cameras. But if you don't have a cellular camera and you're looking to, you know, try one out, I highly recommend going with a Moultrie. I absolutely love my Moultrie Edge. These are Edge 2s. They're not the Pro series, they're just the Edge 2 series. And I've had really good luck with these. I've not had a single problem. And Moultrie is really good with their app, you know. So like, for instance, my app showing me that this camera is dead. You can click on, there's a button in the app where you can, you know, click, and it shows you, you know, how you can make your battery life last longer. There's a bunch of easy setup guides out there that Moultrie puts on their website, how to set your camera up and all that. And if you watch the website, a lot of times they're running like a 2-pack for $100, which is really good. So I'm not sponsored by Moultrie in any way, shape, or form, but I love their cameras. And, you know, if you're needing more cameras and you're wanting to try, you know, something different, I highly recommend Moultrie. Go check them out. I can leave a link in the description below for the ones that I have, but these are really nice cameras. The video quality is super good, and the picture quality is really nice. So go over to Moultrie's website and pick you one up. Alright folks, that's going to do it for that camera. We got all the batteries changed out, and we've got one more that we need to go do. I looked at the one down there at the big pond, and it's showing like 54% left on battery, so I don't see any reason to go change those out right now. So I will catch y'all at the next one. Okay folks, we've made it to the next camera that needs to be fixed, and I don't know what the deal is with this camera because my solar panel is showing charged, so I don't know what's going on with the batteries on this one. They may just be bad batteries, honestly, because I put these in, I don't know how long ago, a while ago. Just like that. Put these batteries back in here. That back on. go. All good to go. Okay, so now that we have checked all of the cameras and changed the batteries out, let's go in here. Big pond's at 47, so we may need to go change that one real quick, but east field looks good, low deer trail looks good, and the top bed looks good. So those are the main ones I was worried about, and especially this new camera. This is, I think, where the 10 point is coming and going. I think this is where he's crossing. So I really wanted to get this camera working to see if we could catch him crossing through here. So yeah, we may run and go change the pond real quick. Let's run and go change the pond real quick, and then we'll go figure out something else to do. Okay, folks, last camera of the day. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. We got all the camera batteries changed out, got the dozer to the last field that we're going to do for this year, got all the trees taken down. So pretty much the only thing left to do with the dozer is fix the road. And we still got a lot of projects, you know, that we need to get done up here. You know, we still got to limb a bunch of trees up. We're talking about burning the place off this year. We thought the forestry was going to do it, but I guess they don't have enough funding to come up here and burn our land off. So we're probably going to take matters into our own hands and burn our own land off this year. So yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff coming up. Where I think we're going to work on the tractor tomorrow. So that'll be a new video coming out. So y'all stay tuned for a bunch of new videos coming out. Hope everybody enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Y'all have a good evening.